In the name of Allah, hello and welcome to another video from my channel. In this video, we are going to introduce ArcMap environment, one of the mostly used applications in spatial data analysis and spatial data processing. So you have various options to open ArcMap in your laptop, as you already installed this program in your PC. So for example, you can type here and by clicking here you can open this program, and also you can set its shortcut on your desktop, or you can pen this program on your taskbar by right clicking on ArcMap in your start menu. So you can pen or unpen this program in your taskbar. So anyway, I have already opened this program here. So when you open, you see ArcMap like this. So these are the menu bars, as you have seen many of these. So in other programs, these are usuals. For example, in file menu, you have something that they are usual with other programs, but something different, as we have here: add data, for example, pages tab, print preview, export map, and analyze map, and some other commands here, and also edit menu and view. View and insert are the tabs that will be used so frequently whenever you want to process spatial data. And also selection and geoprocessing are the two specialized or spatial tabs in this program. So for example, you can add your table of content, your catalog, and your search from here. And if you don't have here, for example, you can add catalog here and table of content here and search menu here. And also we have toolboxes here. So, and you can have your toolbox anywhere you prefer to have, or in any part of your desktop, or you can have all this catalog, search, and toolbox in 3 tabs in the left side of your desktop. So I prefer to have toolbox, catalog, and search in the right side of my desktop. So in here, if you want to remove one of these from your desktop or from your screen, you can click only on the close button, that it will be closed from your computer. So if you want to add, and you can click here and you can add them. So in table of content, you can for example set the coordinate system of your layers or your layout. So for example, now its coordinate system is WGS. If you want to have a different coordinate system, so you can, or a projected coordinate system, you can select the coordinate system that you desire to have. And this toolbox can be added and removed, and any of these, it depends on your choice and your requirements. So if you don't need or don't want to have any of these boxes or toolboxes, you can just click on your close button to close these toolboxes. So if you want to place and order the toolboxes, you can change the place of these toolboxes anyway. Uh, uh, and you can place where you want. So the toolboxes help you to access some commands very quickly here. For example, if you want to add a data, you don't need to go to file and add data. Instead of this, you can click here quickly. Or for example, you undo button and you are editing toolbox and you are drawing toolbox, and also any of these helps you to access very quickly and do your work faster than usual. So in geoprocessing tab, you will have some commands, for example, buffer, clip, intersect, union, merge, dissolve, and some other toolboxes. So we have the environment. You can set your workspace from here, and you can define the specific conditions or specific circumstances for your projects. And for example, the extent of your project and the coordinate system. So from here, you can select a coordinate system for your project here, and or you can take your the coordinate systems of the your project according to one of the projects you previously worked on, or you can select from this list as you wish. So, and we can add data from by clicking this toolbox here, and if you can't see your folder here, you first of all you must click on this and browse to the folders that contains your data and connect it with your program, with your ArcMap. For example, I'm going to connect one of the folders within this computer, for example this one. Okay, and whenever you click on add data, you can see all connected folders here. For example, my D drive is already connected with ArcMap, and I can browse through this drive and add data to my project. uh, and also you can add your data using Arc catalog. From here you can connect also your drives to ArcMap, and then you can click here. You can go through your folders and add your data. For example, you can add your data simply just by clicking and dropping the file into your layout page. And also the search tab or the search toolbox helps you to find the commands and the toolboxes here. For example, whenever you search for a command, contains the name mask, and you can see various type of commands and toolboxes here, and you can choose based on your requirement from the list, or for example converge. So you can see here various type of conversion tools, and or you can select or type the exact name of the toolbox. For example, extract from mask. Extract by mask. And you can see here the toolbox, and you can click on this and use. And instead of using the search, you can use truly the Arc toolbox too. And also in view tab here, we have two types of view in ArcMap. So one is your data view. You use this view to process your data or to apply spatial analysis on your data. And whenever you finalize your processing or your spatial analysis, you can use layout view to export and create your map. And also here we have the toolbox, and all we need and we can find here. For example, we have 3D analysis for 3-dimension analysis of spatial data here, and analysis tools, for example, extract, overlay, and proximity. And also we have cartography tools here, and conversion tools, data interoperability tools, and other tools we can use here. Inshallah, we will see and work with them in the next videos. Thank you so much.